If I told you can start designing today, right now, with just your smartphone, no laptop, no expensive software, let's go. Welcome back to Graphic Design Mastery. I'm Ekendu Precious, Creative Director, Pixellab. So far, you have learned what is graphic design and the principles that make it pops. Today, I will be answering the burning question: what tool do you need to start designing right now? Let's start with a free stroke beginners friendly tool. You can use Canva. It's a drag and drop template used for social media designs, presentation, etc. You can use Pixellab. It's a text-based design tool used for creating flyers, social media designs, etc. Then Photopea. Photopea is a free version of Photoshop. It's being used online. For the professional and the industrial standard, you are going to use Photoshop. Photoshop is used for editing pictures, designing flyers, posters, etc. Then Adobe Illustrator is used for designing logos, vector designs, etc. CorelDRAW is mainly used in Nigeria for designing layout works. So it's a main tool that Nigeria use for printing and every other design works. Then Figma is being used for UI, UX and web design. Then Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro is used for motion design and video editing. Then other tools that you need, these are the tools that makes the design shine. You can use Unsplash and Pixel. These are the websites that you can literally go and get backgrounds, etc. Google Fonts and Font. These are also where you can get your font for doing designs. Source.co is where you can get your color palette for doing design, so that your design can be able to align with contrast and give you best results. Now, here is the truth. Learning these tools don't make you a great designer, but you understanding the principles of designs makes you great. So don't wait for getting Adobe tools, getting laptops before you start doing designs. All you have to do is to master the design principles and master the tools. What these tools does is that it helps you implement those principles that you have learned already. Now, next episode, I will guide you step-by-step way on how you can make your first design real project. More theory, it's time to create. If this video was helpful, subscribe, share this video with a friend that needs it, and comment below which graphic design tool you are using, or the one you are about to use, or the one you want me to start concentrating on. And I will see you in our next video on Friday. I still remain Ekendu Precious, Creative Director, PG Clicks. This is Graphic Design Mastery. See you in episode 6. Bye.